Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Kaizo, and in this video I will show you how to run LLMs locally on your system using Ollama completely for free. We will go step by step, starting with what is Ollama, how to install it, and how you can run AI models locally on your system using Ollama. So with that, let's get started. So, what exactly is Ollama? Ollama is an open source tool that lets you download and run LLMs or large language models on your system completely for free, and it is completely offline also. Think of it as a launcher for open source AI models, similar to how Steam can run games and you can download games from Steam. But in this case, Ollama runs AI models but completely for free, and you can use this model offline also. Ollama also handles downloading, running, and even chatting with the AI models in terminal only, so you don't need to visit any website or any third-party app. Okay, now let's move to installation bar. Head to your browser and in the search bar write ollama.com. After visiting the web page, click on the download link, click download, and select your operating system. For me, it's going to Windows. In your case, it might be Mac or Linux. For me, it's Windows, so I'm going to download for Windows. After clicking on the download for Windows, the installation should begin. It would take some time as the file is a bit big, so just wait for the installation to complete. After the installation is done, head to a .exe file, open, click install, and the installation should begin. It will take some time, so just wait. After the installation is done, we can now move to the next step. So after the exe installation is done, we can now move to how you can run the AI models. So in your terminal, go and search or command prompt, whatever you're using, search Ollama. And if this command comes, it means Ollama is successfully installed in your system. And now we can run the AI model. So to run an AI model, just write Ollama, run, and the name of the model. In this case, I'm going to be using Llama 3.2. After you write this command, in your case, it will first install the model as it's not installed in your local system. I have already installed this model, so it's give me send a message. But in your case, it will first install the model from the server and then you can run it in your local machine. After the installation is done, you can run this model offline also. Let me show you. I'm going to turn off my internet and let's just ask it something like, what is quantum computing? See, instant answer. This is different from the when you use API, as APIs first send a request to the server and the model gets a response from there and it generates a response in our PC. But in this case, the model is running locally in our system, so the answer is instant as there's no type of request to be sent to the model in the server. Let's try another question like, what is linear regression? Let's try that. See, super fast and instant result. This response time will depend on the specs of your computer. If your computer has a very low RAM or old gen CPU, it will take some time, but it still be fast. Let me show you. There are many different kinds of models you can run with this, not just Llama 3.2. So I'm going to give the link of this library in the video description. You can check it out. This is the official Ollama library in GitHub. These are all the open source model you can run. And here are the commands like for DeepSeek also, DeepSeek R1, Ollama run. And here is an important note. You should have at least 8 GB of RAM for running 7 billion parameter models. Here are all the parameters. The model which you are using now is 3 billion parameters. So it will run in a 4 GB machine also. And my computer is 16 GB, so I can even run 13 billion parameter models, but I can't actually run more than that as it requires more RAM. So you can learn different types of models also. Let me show you some different commands in Ollama. So if you just First, let me exit. After press slash exit to exit out of the model which you're using, and you can write now Ollama list. This will list out all the models you have installed. This is the model I'm currently learning, which is I have installed 2 months ago. And if you want to remove a model, so just write Ollama RM and the model name. It will remove the model. I'm not going to do it because it literally takes time to install these models, as this size of this models is a lot, and you need to have a good internet connection to run this. Well, after you install the model for the first time, you can run it offline also, so you don't need the actual internet. You only need the internet for running the model for the first time, as it needs to be downloaded. So I said that a model requires a good internet connection to download it first. After installation, you can run it offline. And that's how you can run AI models locally on your system using Ollama completely offline. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and tell me in the comments if you want anything new on this topic. And I will see you on the next video. Bye.